Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ladia and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this is actually a brand new channel. And I'm introducing you this channel because I believe in this product. This product is the best thing ever that I have encountered, and I'm going to tell you why. Sqribble is number one. It's because it's so easy to use. And every day, I'm busy with online, with the products that I need. I can get it here with Sqribbles. And especially Sqribble 2.0 that is coming out. It's a variety of tools, everyone. It's not just creating ebooks. This is going to be a variety of tools, and you can do a whole lot. I mean, this place can be a Canva Pro if you want to. And even if I use Canva Pro, I love that tool, Canva Pro, and I do pay monthly for it. But we have in this entirely in the Sqribble 2.0, we have Income Genie, and it does the same thing, but and it's got an AI tool that you can use with it, which is wonderful, and there's nothing wrong with using Canva together with this. As a matter of fact, I made my YouTube channel art that you see above this channel. I use Canva tools. I've used it's part of the Sqribble too as well. But mostly I've been using Canva because I'm so used to using Canva Pro. And Canva Pro is actually really good too because they have upgraded and they do have AI tools. And I use a portion, I use a lot of their images in my videos, and it's really good to use because I have a method of using images, using a lot of animated things that they have. They have lots of pictures, uh, and if you include Sqribble with it, you can do much more. You can make an attractive YouTube channel, just like you see this one right now. There's a tool that I use in Sqribble 2.0. It's the QR codes. You can produce a lot of QR codes, and you can make up QR codes. Now, if you buy it and purchase it outside of Sqribble, it's going to cost you monthly. But if you join Sqribble 2.0 and you go to the unlimited plan, you're going to be paying less the cost of what you're paying for other tools using altogether. You might be using a tool for this area for this, and you might be using another company for this area of tools that you use, but Sqribble has it all. And Adil Chowdhury is actually adding more tools to the Empire Lee, and everyone's going to be so excited when I'm actually really, really thrilled about it. I'm so happy about it, and I totally believe in this product because being with him for 4 years, I don't trust no other network marketer that's selling tools out there, because I know that when they sell something, and after a while they'll tutor you along and they'll help you along, but then all of a sudden they come up with another tool and it's somewhere else, and then they forget about the one that they are training people with a specific tool, that they forget to upgrade, or they forget to update, or uh, actually they leave the support contact because they never come back. And and I see that has been happening a lot, and there's a lot of people that have been leaving because of that. you know you I just It is so hard to lose money when you are believing someone, what you purchased with, to stay along with you all the way, long term, because there's so many marketers that need tools for the vendors, whoever are selling their tools, that make up their tools, they should stick along and help and focus on updating and contacting the people that purchase their tools. Now, what's the difference? Why am I sharing this channel with all of you? Because Adil Chowdhury is not like that. My CEO, my emperor, he is not at all compare with anybody else. That's why he's the #1 top internet millionaire, because he takes care of his tools. He doesn't run from one tool to the next tool to the another tool. Adil actually has come up with a solution for all the marketers that back him up 100%. And this one that he has put together, Sqribble 2.0, every product that he has is all going to merge to one membership, all the tools. He's going to add more tools added onto, as you see in Sqribble 1.0. Yes, there's tools there, but Sqribble 2.0 is going to be added. There's going to be QR codes tool. He's got signature tools. The signature. We just had a training on the signature tools, where you don't have to do PDF filler, or making contracts with client to client. And that really actually costs money. That really does cost money. If you're needing that tool, you have to join a membership somewhere else just to get that tool, just to use their tool. Well, guess what? In Sqribble 2.0, a tool is already in there. They actually got it ready. You can send documents. You get unlimited. You know what? There is no a monthly charge for it. You just got you have a monthly charge for a membership. There's 3 memberships in the Sqribble 2.0 and Parley. But if you upgrade all the way to Tycoon, which I am, you get all the free tools unlimited as much as you want. And it's really low cost right now, because we are in the beta state right now. So those that hurried up and upgraded to Sqribble 2.0, the last 3 weeks it was open. The website was open. Now it's closed right now because they're going to add more features, more tools. And I think they're going to add voice. I think a voice. It's kind of like Voice Maker. It's called Voice Notely. And then I think he's adding a click. Okay, I forgot what the name is. Clickly. Well, I think it's to shorten the URL. Click by, or I'm not on the site right now, but that's one of the features, and I don't know what the other ones are, but he's adding more tools and more tools, and he's getting ideas from all the Tycoon marketers out there that are really following him very, very much. We all love Adil. I love this man so much. You just don't know how much I love him, because he don't run away with his tools. He really actually takes care, and he's got good customer service, because I know he gets on their case, because sometimes we have problems, like the software will have problems sometimes, but they do get back with you right away. They really do, and they really do their best to serve you and to help you. So there's 24/7. There's a portal that he's offering all his Sqribble members to contact, and I think it's called Sqribble. What is it called? I wrote it down. It's Sqribble dot. No, it's called empowerly.ai/what's new, and I think that's the portal website that you can port over and talk directly to the customer service, and you can also leave your suggestions there too. All right, I know this is a very long video, And the purpose of this channel that I'm making is I'm going to do my own training to help you guys see what is available and what is not. So Sqribble 1.0 is available, and I'm going to go and share it with you. Okay, let me get rid of this, because this is uh, the AI power that's coming in Sqribble 2.0. All right, it was live, but he had to close it for a couple weeks, so you can't really join here until they're fixing up some features, and one day it's going to be open again to the public. All right, so this is the back office of Sqribble 1.0, and what you get is Sqribble, your instant ebook store that sells 24/7 for you. There is a market that you can sell your ebooks, and if you see all this is green, that's because I have all the tools. So if you come in and you just purchase this one right here, Sqribble, which is $19.99 right now, just click on the link below, get in. I got the website ready for you to get in, so you can get the Sqribble, where you can create stunning ebooks with content in minutes. And it's true, you can, and the templates are beautiful and they're professional looking. And you can use, I use this a lot for my Etsy products, my Etsy digital ebooks that I upload. I use Sqribble, and it doesn't matter what you use it for. You might be using it for writing. If you're an author, you love to write books, this is perfect for you. You don't need anything else. You do not need, also you don't need designer. You pay monthly. But you know, I was with them for a while and I was paying money, but I didn't get the features like I really wanted to, and it was hard for me to actually work with designer. I mean, it was okay, but I have so much fun with Sqribble. Sqribble is much better. All right, so as you can see, I'm a platinum member. So I'm gonna go through the function what you can have in Sqribble 1.0, and you can get all of these products. You can buy it one at a time. Now, when you first getting in and you log in, you're gonna see it all red. When it turns green, that means you have already purchased the product. So, Sqribble is still being sold here. Okay, you can upgrade here if you just want Sqribble. Talkable is the audio ebook where you can upload audiobooks instantly. I use this feature a lot. I actually use it on my videos when I make my YouTube videos. So I use Talkable. Talkable also can relate with the, if you ever heard of voicemaker.in. That's a good one too, and I use them. I pay $25 a year just creating the voices. Now if you get Sqribble 2.0 and you become the top Tycoon member there, you're gonna get Talkable for free. Okay, unlimited. You can make as many audiobooks you want. That software is in there. But if you have Sqribble 1.0 and you don't have Sqribble 2.0, you still can purchase this. I believe. And right now it's on hold. We all can't use it right now because they're merging it into the Sqribble 2.0. So on here right now you can't get to this yet. I think they closed it. So it's a lot of changes going on right now, but don't be disappointed because they're still going to sell it here. Then you got Sendable, where you can build a list, landing pages, send an unlimited emails. Sendable is good here. Now, in the Sqribble in 2.0 Empire Link, they also have Sendable, but they have They have another one called Landingly, does the same thing. And Submitter is good too. You can distribute your software, your ebooks all over different blogs, websites, and then of course, the Sqribble. Then a Sqribble Professional, you unlock more templates, designs, contents, and that's if you want more designs. Then they got Sqribble Prime Monthly. They add like for all the Prime members, they get extra 15 new limited edition ebooks design templates. So that is good. Then you got Sqribble Fantasia 3D, which it makes you can make 3D covers and flip books. And then you get Auto Job Finder, where you can find jobs here, and you can be a freelance for someone to make them an ebook, whatever. You can find jobs here for you to make some extra cash. Then you got the agency website that you can download this agency website to get more clients, to make more money, to join under you. And this is excellent. Sqribble, it took me a while to even get all these products, okay? And I would say, I worked with the customer service here. There's a button down here. You can see help. See where my cursor is? You just hit that. You ask them. You put your name, your address. How can we help you? Then you tell them, and then you attach a file, or just talk to them, and they're going to get back with you. And they do get back with you in 24 hours. Let's see. If we go on the top here, I have a lot of projects already made here. I'm just going to click through all of them. Okay, so these are all I have 96 projects here. These are all my ebooks. Okay, so I'm going to just go really fast. And actually, I have 96 projects. If I go here, this is the templates. Okay, so let's wait till it logs in. Just waiting. Okay, there. So if you upgrade all the way, you get to the Pro, you get template gallery, you get 210. And then your Prime gallery, since I've been, I get 15 a month, so now I have 165 in there. And these are new templates that they have put in. I've used a few already, and they're so gorgeous. All these templates are so good looking. I mean, you can make awesome things for whatever topic or content you want to make, and whatever you're going to talk about. Especially for writers and authors are excited, especially what they want to talk about. They got beautiful templates. You could be someone that talk about e-commerce. You can use this layout. If I view it, this is how the layout looks like. Okay, so here's a table of content. And they're all beautiful made. Look at that. That's not all of it. So they're just showing a portion of what the sample is. But if you click it and you're going to use it, there's more pages that you can add. You can change the images and more. Then you have more templates here. And to unlock it, I think you have to share. So like I can use these down here, but up here to unlock it, I think you gotta share a testimony. I'm not sure. Join. Let me see what it says. Telegram group. Join here. Enter the code to unlock. So you have to join this group to get that template unlocked. Okay, so let's go on. Okay, so now we have the packs. And I have all the packs. I purchased all the packs. So these are done for you books that I'm going to view it for you. Since when you get this plain Sqribble ebook, you won't have access to this unless you purchase it. So I'm going to view it so all of you can see what's behind it. So these are all made books, already made for you. All you got to do is put the title, change the author name and the date, of the copyright when you copyright it. And I sell these books on my Etsy shop. Believe me, this one has sold. Some of them have been selling, like this one. And you never know what the customer needs, but I've been selling this Facebook ads a lot. And it's a lot of pages. It's not just 1 to 10. There's like over 30, 40 pages of this. So it's beautifully made. Adil got some designers. They worked on these 10 books to make it look very professional. Let me view this one. I'm gonna view it anyway. So this is what some of the pages look like. Okay, and it just goes on and on. It's not going to show you because it's just a preview, but these are how the pages look. All right, so let's go down back to the packs, and you got the coloring book pack. Now this one is really nice to have, and I sell these on my Etsy shop. You got the abstract design. If you click on that, it's just going to show you a few pages. And that's what it looks like. They're like coloring books. Alright. And they're not going to show you the whole thing. Just a couple pages. Because it's from 1 to 8. And they're just going to show you the birds flying high. Dragonfly magnificent. Finding Dora. And that's about it. So, only until you want to use it, then it's going to share it with you. You got butterflies artwork, coloring book, cars coloring book, character artwork, Disney characters, dreams artwork, drugs addiction, and these are all coloring books. Explore the universe, fantasy, flower art, food art, inspirational art, love art, marine life, nature's book, patterns art, sex artwork, tattoos, and wildlife. Okay, so let's go back, and let me go back and show you the next one. Journals. Okay, and I actually purchased the journals, and I use the journals, especially the YouTube journal. I use this one a lot. YouTube planner. They have a garden planner, wedding planner, travel planner, you name it, party planner, pregnancy journal, sewing planner. I actually sold some of these at my Etsy shop. Social media planner, office planner, medical planner, kids planner, homeschool, fitness journal, food journal planner, gratitude planner, home maintenance planner, and you got academic planner, business planner, digital blog planner, finance planner. This makes wonderful gifts, especially during the Christmas time that's coming around the corner. And you can actually send someone a gift. Maybe they're going to get married. You can just send them a gift to them for their wedding. And for example, for the wedding planner, you've got, it's only going to show me a few, but the bridal shower, the honeymoon, much more. It's inside this planner. You know what? I'm going to open it up. Let's see if we're going to use this book. And put wedding planner. Oops, wedding planner. And I just want to show this to you so you know how the book looks like inside. So create your ebook. So we're creating it. Actually, I need to upload this one anyway. I'm probably going to go back, upload it on my YouTube. Not my YouTube, my Etsy shop. And I probably renamed the title. But I wanted to open it up so all you can see how this whole planner looks like. You can edit it and everything. Wedding planner. And then if you want to personalize it and you're giving it maybe to a cousin of yours, you can actually put their name on there. You can choose to put wedding planner for, Justin and Jessica. You can just put it on there. Add text. How to add text is you just hit this button and then you just add another paragraph. You can select and put an image. There's a headline, there's a button, the QR code. You can use a QR code, but if you want to. And then there's so many things that you can do. Alright, so let's close that and show you the whole book. So, table of contents. You got the payment checklist, budget, bridal shower guest list, venue, bridal shower, honeymoon budget, and appointments. So let's take a look at this planner. And there's the payment checkout. You got your budget, your bridal shower guest list, your venue, bridal shower, your location, your honeymoon, your appointments. All right, so it gives you a guideline, and you can print out as many copies you want or need. So this is an example of one of the planners. All right, so let's go back. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the packs, so because I have to introduce you guys more packs here. Okay, so you got the coloring book, the journals, you got the 3D puzzle coloring. Okay, so if I open that, I'm just gonna show you what they have here. Amazing cats, Billy Pig adventure, dogs, dragons, the human body. This one sells a lot on my Etsy shop, the human body. It's actually really got good pictures in it. So if I share it with you, it looks like this. This is the anatomy of the muscles, the abdominal region, human organs, skeletal system, the view, the digestive system, inside the ear canal, respiratory, inside the lungs, brachials and trachea. So this is what it looks like. And they're very, very good pictures, especially if you're in school. That was just a few of them. But especially if you're in school and you got a project to do and you're doing a presentation, that would be great. And I think that's why they're selling, because I think it's probably someone that's a teenager or an adult, maybe needed for their medical class. All right, these are really beautifully designed 3D puzzle and coloring pack. So let's go back to the pack because there's more. Now, I have purchased all of them, so I'm just showing you. This is the quarantine edition. If you view it, and it's got the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, if you're one of those people that work in a hospital and you specialize in this area, you can use these templates, and you can use you can write about it, and these templates are really beautiful. I mean, just look at it. And I think they actually added more in this one because they didn't have that many when I purchased this tool. It looks like they added more. How to work from home, Zoom meetings. Oh, this is really good. No, this is really pretty. This is kind of new to me. Some of them are new. So I never know what they're gonna put in it because I actually have everything. So let's go back. But they got the pandemic. They got the another done for you ebooks. That's the second one. This one is really great. I mean, look at these. These are already made books, already made for you. So all you got to do is just change the name and the date, and you put your name down here. Now this one's new. I've never seen it before. They actually have added this one. I've never seen this one. Well, let's go on. All right, so you got the motivational quotes, and I'm just gonna go through it all so everyone can see what Sqribble has to offer you. All right, so these are the quotes. They're really nice, as a matter of fact, and it's so much work for me because I have to download. I don't have all the books on my Etsy shop, but it does take work just to download it and make a video, and you can upload a video showing a sample to your Etsy customers, and it kind of boosts your sale when you do that, because you want to you need to share the customers what you're selling, and you got to show them a sample of it. Now these are the 10 gram puzzles. These are neat. You can have lots of fun with it at a party. Anybody can do this. This is really fun. I actually feel like when I send it to my daughters. They have kids, but I might just send it to them because to keep their kids company. They can put the square, and they're going to have to cut it all out, but this would be great for them, especially if your grandkids are like 7 years old. It's fun for the whole family, actually. All right, so let's go back, and that's a 10-gram pack, and then there is more. Another one, a motivational quotes, and this one's really nice too. Look at that, really beautiful design. Okay, so I'm kind of tired of using my cursor, so I'm gonna go back home. And I have a touch screen. This is my husband's computer I'm using. He's got a 24-inch Dell computer, custom made. Where touch screen made, I meant. All right, so but this is sample of what you get for Sqribble dot one, the Sqribble 1.0, and how do you do a project to make these ebooks. You're gonna just pick a project that you want to do. I'm gonna pick let's pick this one. How to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. Now this is my project. This is already one that I've already made. So I've already edited everything. So what you're gonna do after you've done with the project, you're gonna download it here. First of all, you're gonna take this, right click, and save this picture, because you're gonna need this picture to upload it when you're uploading your ebook. Okay, and you download it. When you download it, it's gonna show you IDX PDF, and it opens to your. I'm gonna open it up. Opens. Oops, I didn't mean to click the file, but it opens to your. Let me go down here. Open it in your downloads, and then you're going to see it here. I'm going to change the details of you and make it medium. Okay, so you're going to see it here, index. And that's actually what you downloaded. And so you're gonna rename it. Go down here, rename, and then rename it YouTube, whatever the title was on that book. Let me move this out of the way. YouTube channel in 30 days. So you're gonna type that out. YouTube channel in 30 days. Let me move this over. It's not moving over. Can't seem to move over that. Anyway, but you're gonna rename it, and then you're going to download it and upload it. Okay, so let me share with you guys the Sqribble. Here's the Sqribble where you can upload your, I don't know if it's connected, because they did disconnect it because they were doing Sqribble 2.0, but I think they already merged it to my 2.0, but I think it's still here. So if you want to upload a book, see, all my books are here because I've already got them in my store. Alright, I do have Sqribble, and I do have all these books in my store. And each one of them took me a long time to do. Okay, now it's not easy to download and upload, make a copy. You know, it's a lot of work, but you can do it if you're so determined. You can actually upload like 10 day. How many you want to do a day? If you're really bored, you probably upload more. But I do have 53 ebooks, all right, in here. And if you want to add a new ebook, which I haven't made a new one yet, but you can, this is where you add it. Okay, so you're going to name it, and you're going to choose what topic it came, the niche where it came from. Maybe it's a coloring book, then you choose children, kids, and teen, right? All right, and then you got the keywords here. You put a summary of the ebook and the ebook design. Okay, now here you're not going to see this if you have Sqribble 1.0, because they actually because I'm already a tycoon, so I have the access to the AI to generate, so that you can generate. But I gotta put the, well, it says please enter the book title. All right, so if I chose a book title, you know what, I'm just gonna open one of my books. Let me open one of my books, and I'm gonna share it with all of you how this is done. Okay, so this one, I just opened one of my books and one of my projects just to share with you an example. How to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. How to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. That's what you want to put to be shown in the store. Then you put business and marketing. Okay, and then you put a couple of these. Now I did this manually because the AI generator wasn't working. So maybe I should use it. So this, how to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. I'm going to use it because I want to change it. So you're going to talk about YouTube, and then how to start a YouTube channel in 30 days. Oops. And then it will generate for you. The AI is a really cool tool, but you have to have Sqribble 2.0 to get this. Okay, so there it goes. There it is. And so it generated for me how to discover. Yep. And then I could put actually more tags if I want to, but I'm going to leave it at that. So I upload the ebook. I actually have it in here that I shared with you. And this is the book, but make sure you rename it. and then the cover. That's why I said to save the cover page, the cover of your ebook, because you're gonna have to upload it as a thumbnail. And you hit next. Now I want to sell it for $24.99. You can pay. You can use PayPal or Stripe, either one. So if you enable that one, I used to have it on PayPal, but now I'm gonna disable that. Now I'm using Stripe. So whatever the account in your Stripe is, that's the name, and you make sure you don't put it test, you put it live, because you're selling the products. And you hit next. You keep this no, because this will direct them to the download. And then next. Are you happy with this content? Yes. And then this one, always choose to publish available for sale. You finish it. All right, and it's gonna go, and it's ready to go. It's already uploaded to your store. I'm gonna share with you guys my store, because I have Sqribble, and I do have the personal skill store. So if I click here, you're gonna see what I have in my store. I have 3 stores that are up and running. Okay, and all I had to do is go on Namecheap and get a domain name. So this one right here is my crochet store, but it's lottieandsilvis.com. That's my crochet store. I don't have that many on this store yet. I don't have all my crochet patterns downloaded. I only have a few of them. And I'm Disa's Dainty Craft. I do sell at craft shows. So I have my Tina did a review for me, and I have a friend named Sally. These are the writing the crochet pattern takes a lot of work, but I did upload 4 of them here, and they're all in my Etsy shop, and I have more on my Etsy shop. Then I want to merge it to this one. Alright, so I gave it a title. You can use a feature, whatever book you want to use. If you hit the author, it talks about me. These is Dainty Crafts, and then all your stores will be there. All your books will be here, so you can. I don't have that many, so I'm still working on this. So let's log out of this one. Okay, so that's the crochet store, and then this one is my Lottie and bookstore. So if I click onto this, it takes you to my bookstore, and I featured a coloring book here about lions, and it's actually the AI and the Sqribble 2.0 created this this ebook coloring book, and you can ask it to as many pages. How many pages do you want? So I said 20, and it printed up 20 lions, and all different. And I was amazed what that AI tool can do, because it was amazing. I was amazed. So, and I just, I just made the cover plain. I picked a lion picture. I uploaded a picture of a lion, but it actually, all the lions are all majestic pages, and I think I'm going to print it out, because they look like they're fun to actually color. Okay, so anyway, these are my latest books. You can view all the books. You can price it differently, and there's the sex art, superheroes, the dogs. Look, I sell everything in here. All you got to do is drive traffic to your friends, network with people. Now, not everybody can see these they can't see your store unless you really actually drive traffic to the websites. that you created. Okay, people are not just going to come up and say, "Oh, look at this store." Now, this store is the ebookdrama.com, and you can put a video. This one I added a video. Okay, so it does have a video, and then all your stores. It talks about me. I have, and you know, these templates are so beautiful. So you want to read about me, just go here, and actually all your stores are down below it. Look at that. And it's still downloading, but you end up with a really beautiful site. And all you do is have to do is just purchase the ebook, the domain name, excuse me. All you have to do is order the domain name, and the rest, you know, Sqribble will take care the contact of, they're all together, and Sqribble is going to take care of your hosting. Okay, so, which is really great. So what I can share with you how to create a store. If I go back here, right here, add a new store, you gotta watch the tutorial. You can watch the video. If you hit that, um, it'll take you to training, what you need to set up and everything, how to work, you know, this software. One thing about Sqribble is that they have excellent training videos, and there's a lot to learn actually. Okay, so if I go back to the personal store, I'm going to share with you. If you're going to add a new store, it's going to take you to this page here. All right. Okay, so they configure Cloudflare. All right. You have to sign up with Cloudflare. So sign up here is free. You do not have to pay anything to Cloudflare. You use the free plan whenever you want to start a store. Okay, so all they're going to ask you is to use this IP address, and name's cheap. They're going to actually set it up where they're going to give you the name servers. So if you have Namecheap, you're going to go over there, purchase your domain name, forward the name servers from Cloudflare into where you manage your Namecheap domain names. That's the DNS. So you're gonna go back here again, and you have to make sure that you upload your domain name in the Cloudflare, so the connection will be able to you'll be able to see your website. And I had I had to figure all this out myself. So, but now I can see all my stores because I had to go back in Cloudflare, and don't forget, you know, your user and password name with Cloudflare, because you're gonna have to log back in and see it on that on that what's going on with your website when you can't see it. Just go to Cloudflare, try to figure it out, and then before you ever call customer service, you know, at Sqribble. All right, so that's how you do your personal store. And if we go to the author profile, I've already got set up a few of them already. Actually, this is the default one. This is my main one. And let me give you an example. Okay, let me use the default. Okay, so we're going to go here so you can see what's in the default. All right, you've got this is a Sqribble marketplace where you upload your ebooks. They instantly pop up here. Whenever you create an ebook on Sqribble, it comes to this home page, and you're gonna see it. It always comes out here. So there's people that have been busy. All right, so this is one of mine. I think this has to be mine, or is it? Let me click on this one. I think this one's mine. Yeah, this is my name, Lottie Ann Silvis. So I am selling this book, and it shows you all your ebooks that you have uploaded in your back office, so you don't really have to work hard. You don't have to work hard. If they're all in your project in Sqribble, they're gonna show up in your all your pages here. So go back here. So every one of them have all the ebooks except this one, because this is my crochet. Um, this one's my crochet ebook store, and I only have those. All right, so you can actually there's a button where you want your store, what you want to feature in those stores. Like I only featured only my crochet patterns on this one, on this profile. And I could add the other ones, but no, I just want it to be separate. So you can have different unlimited author profiles. It could be in healthcare. Maybe this one could be in healthcare. Maybe this one could be in cooking. Maybe this one could be like my crafts. And then your bookstore. So, and then on and on and on. You can have it as different niches, whatever. You can add as many you want and build from that. And they're all, every book you upload in these profiles is going to go in the Sqribble marketplace, where you can upload your book on Sqribble and sell, and it will take you there. So let me go back. This is the website. I'm going to use this one, and we're going to go home, and then you're going to see all the topics that you can pick. Business marketing, I don't know, whatever your ebook lands to, they're all going to be in those areas. Now this is just the people that are uploading right now, and whoever uploads is going to have a different one, different display. So let's go to business marketing. Look at everybody that are selling their ebooks here. This all on business marketing. I think this one's mine. So I have this one. I know this one's mine. So it has Lottie Ann Silvis. I'm selling this book for $24.99. I think it's worth more than $24.99, but because it has so many pages in this ebook, and then it'll show all your books. You can view all the books from you. It tells your bio, and it takes you all to your ebooks. And this is actually really, really, really good place to share and upload your ebooks. And people upload their ebooks. All the members from Sqribble constantly upload their ebooks, and all you have to do, okay, to get exposure. Now, it's not just by uploading on this store. You have to drive traffic to Sqribble.com. You gotta maybe hire somebody that knows how to get more traffic, more exposure. Sometimes I use Fiverr to give me organic traffic. There's techs out there. You can go on Freelancer. They can actually promote Sqribble.com for you. If you have a lot of books there, it's a good to do that, so the whole world can know that this website exists. And that's the only way you can sell your books. That is the only way you can sell your books, is getting traffic to Sqribble.com. Okay, so it's not all about uploading ebooks. You have to drive traffic, and you have to develop a way how to continually do that. Because if you don't drive traffic and you're not working as hard, you're not going to see results. You're not going to get sales. So for you to get sales, you have to drive traffic. And then we have, this is the job finder. Let me go on. I'm just going to show you the job finder. Look at all these proposals that you can do. You can find jobs here. All right, that's the job finder. Oops, let's go back. I don't know what happened there. And let me go back here. We got Sendable. I love Sendable. You can send your ebooks. You can create landing pages here, and they're all of these products do have training. So here's an example. Look at this. It shows you how to register a subdomain, creating a project, creating a funnel. You know, you can. I use this one a lot because you can create a funnel, adding your ebook behind that funnel, and then how to upload your website links, testing your funnel. This is a lead magnet. uh, on and on. Look at all these videos. You got all these. They teach you everything in Sqribble. So that's why I love Sqribble, because, and there's a lot more to learn because I don't know all of it. Okay. I'm so busy working full time that not full time but part time, and I do my craft shows. It's just, this is a lifetime learning. Uh, till I die, this is lifetime, forever. I learn something from here when I take the time and watch training videos, go to the Zoom meetings. You know, everybody's in different levels. Maybe you don't know about computers or how to use computers, but you got to start somewhere to learn how to use this tool. And it's a slowing process. It takes time. I don't know who you are. You know, maybe you're already so advanced, but you know what? Slow down, because there might be something new for you to learn. All right, so I'm going to end this review. I just wanted to share with you all Sqribble 1.0, what's in there. And basically, it is the basic tool is you need to just get Sqribble first and start creating your ebooks, you know. And it's $19.99. It's less cost of a dinner. And you get this tool forever. And if you decide you want to add Submitter, Sendable, Talkable, Sqribble, you can. Or you can upgrade to the Sqribble 2.0 entirely and get everything. And extended AI tools are in the 2.0. And I'm sorry, it's not in the 1.0, but a lot of people use the Sqribble 1.0 and use GPT anyway to create the content for them. But Sqribble 2.0 will do it for you. Don't work so hard. Don't work so hard. And go to the unlimited plan. Become a tycoon. You know, especially if you're a hard worker, marketer. You've been doing this for years online and you've been struggling. Tool after tool after tool after tool. And I'm going to tell you, put that in a stop, because you don't need to do that anymore. You got it all here. The Empowerly will do it all for you, and you are going to be really happy. And I think this is really God sent, you know. And I'm glad Ideal is a Christian. You know, all believers, we just love this tool. I will promote it. I don't care how many YouTube channels I have. I just will promote it everywhere, because this is the best tool ever. All right, guys, I want to go. And I'm Lottie Ann Silvis, and I'm very involved in the Empowerly group. And I hope I have inspired you. But my 1 hour is up, and I got to let you go. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll talk to you guys later. And I hope you learned something today. All right, bye for now.